shark is sick today. Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. What should we do? Dr. Kitty will help you. Meow, meow, don't you cry. Dr. Kitty's standing by. Baby shark wakes up so slow. Tiny sneeze, achoo. Tummy hurts and head feels hot. Feeling happy, maybe not. Oh no, no, what's wrong today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. Runs in fast. How with the doctor bag at last. Heartbeat check. Boom, boom, boom. Kitty says you'll feel good soon.
1, 2, 3.
Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Dr. Kitty helps with me. Baby shark says achoo, achoo. Ritty laughs, bless you too. Medicine taste, yucky, yup. Baby shark says, oh no, yuck. Sip, 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 drink it up. Soon you'll jump and splash and hop. Kitty puts ice on shark's head. Time for rest in your warm bed. Baby shark takes little nap, or then wakes up and starts to clap. Yay, 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 feeling great. Dr. Kitty saved Daddy. Baby shark jumps in the sea. Healthy, happy as can be. Dancing, splashing all around. Happy Sharky makes this sound. Thank you, Kitty, thank you, meow. I feel so much better now. Oh no, no, sick no more. Baby shark swims like before. Hip, hip, hooray, 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 hooray. Kitty and Dino ready to play. Hide and seek the counting way. Numbers hiding, where can they be? Let's find them. 1, 2, 3, 3. Count, 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 come along. Hide and seek number song. Grab Mr. 1, Mr. 1, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near one little tree. One jumps out, happy. Mr. 2, Mr. 2, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near two tiny shoes. Two pops out with one neat move. Mr. 3, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Hiding near frame by St. Bees. Hannibal Gershel-Bone. Mr. 5, Mr. 4, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 4 funny fogs. 4 jumps over logs. Mr. 5, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 5 shiny stars. 5 waves from afar. Mr. 6, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Here I am, 6 silly sticks. 6 plays magic tricks. Mr. 7, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 7 volumes. Taven sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 8 top cakes. Melba does silly shakes. Mr. 9, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Hiding near 9 toy cars. Dine zoom super far. Oh no! Mr. 8, where are you? 20 and Lucky Oat, the dog stand. Big, a silly shake. Mr. 9, Mr. 9, where are you? Here I am, Pika-Bar, hiding near 9 toy cars. Happy birthday party time! The balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Oh no, no, what a day! Grace played chaos on the way. Kitty brings the birthday cake up, but the table starts to shake. Happy birthday party time! My balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Frosting flying through the sky. Kitty says, "Come back, please." Cake zooms past the party seats. Cake, don't run away. Silly birthday cake today. Happy birthday party time. Our balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Everyone jumps with funny eyes. Monkey hides beneath the chair. Puppy runs around in scare. Pop, 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 balloons go boom. Crazy party in the room. Kitty opens giant gift. Suddenly the lid goes flip. Tall waving pony fills the air. Toys go bouncing everywhere. Funny dances on the floor. Dino crashes through the door. Happy birthday party time. The balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Birthday madness every night. Kitty laughs, that's okay. Funny birthday save the day. Everyone dances side by side. Big smiles they cannot hide. Cake is fixed and candles glow. Best birthday ever, you know. Happy birthday party time. Our balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Paper plate us Kitty fine.
Kitty dances come along.
Keep what stays done everywhere. 5 skeletons were stealing eggs at night. They grabbed the eggs and ran out of sight. But Kitty woke up with glowing eyes. Hey, stop right there! She shouted in surprise. One got caught, poof, he's gone hid. The rest ran fast before the dawn. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, "Hi, Dad. No more skeletons stealing eggs tonight." 4 skeletons came back again, thinking they could steal like vengeance. But Kitty was ready, quick and smart. Kitty's place. Inspector came and closed the case. All eggs safe, no more race. Eggs are safe, the farm is fine. Kitty did an awesome shine with happy meows and morning lights. No more stealing eggs
Almost got them all.
tonight.
Into the basket.
Wow! Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Twinkle, twinkle in the skies. Baby shark says no, no, no. I don't want to sleep right now. Rock, rock, lullaby. Kitty sings the moon so high. Baby shark jumps on the bed. Pillow bouncing on his head. Blanket flying through the air. Toys and bubbles everywhere. He says, I'm not sleepy now. Then makes funny sharky sounds. No, 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 don't sleep that night. Baby sharky's jumping set. Kitty walks in soft and slow. Moonlight starts to gently glow. Tiny stars float in the room. Kitty hums a sleepy tune. Baby shark still wiggles fast. Kitty smiles and sings at last. Rock, rock, sleepy night. Close your eyes and hug tight slide. Kitty sings la la loo. Magic sparkles shining blue. Clouds are floating way up high. Sleepy moon lights up the sky. Oh no! Baby shark slows down a bit. Yawns and stretches tiny fins. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Thrippy shark knows where you are. Soft breeze blows the curtain slow. Nightlight makes a gentle glow. Baby shark hugs Teddy tight. Everything feels warm tonight. Kitty whispers, close your eyes. Dreams are waiting in the sky. Just for you. Sleep, sleep, drift away. Dreamy nighttime ends the game. Baby shark now snores so sweet. Tiny tail under the sheet. Kitty smiles and tucks him in. Magic lullaby rings again. Moon and stars shine way above. Nighttime filled with sleepy love. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Twinkle, twinkle in the skies. Sweet dreams lullaby saves the day. Sweet dreams now, hip hip hooray. There's Farmer Kitty on the farm today. But something strange in a funny way. Dark kitty on the farm T-Bay. Something strange in a funny way. Not the cows, not the sheep. Kitty is eating everything she sees.
Oh, no, no, no. What is this?
Farmer Kitty gone wild like this. Cow says moo is my head. Kitty comes yummy. Okay. Biff crunch, crunch, crunch. Hey is gone. Cow looks shocked.
Mood is wrong.
Kitty smiles.
Still hungry more.
She eats the bucket, eats the floor. Crunch, 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 crunch.
E-I-E-I-O.
Kitty